interior lights?
Nope.
We got the interior lights done. We did that last week or something like that.
Yeah, last week.
It looks so good. Sounds so good.
We get to drive my dream car that I've been wanting
Forever.
and ever. Hey, look, it's Grandma Margaret. Get Grandma Margaret on the camera. Hi, Grandma. That's my dad's mom.
Grandma Margaret. That's a squeaky window.
That's because I want a lot of.
I know. Oh, we got the banner on too. I don't know if we showed them that.
Nope. I haven't posted that video yet.
Yeah, we got the banner on, looking good.
What does it say?
It says Night Runner.
We love the night.
We love Night Runner. We've had that banner on the RSX. Then we had it on the white G that we had for like 3 months.
The twin turbo G.
The
That's
twin
been out for 3
turbo.
months.
Is it less than that?
I think we only had it for maybe a month and a half.
I know you got it in April.
It was up under construction for a week and a half at Ben Shop.
Yeah, true. Yep, but it's coming along. We're getting all the pretty pieces put in.
And then the headlights will be here soon.
Yep.
They said that it's going to be about 2 weeks because of the COVID situation. They're not getting parts in fast enough. I don't know how they're not getting parts in fast enough. They should have the stuff on the shelf. I'm sure people are not ordering headlights like crazy like that. The expensive ones like that.
So it's coming together. I'm excited for the headlights. Those look so good.
They do look so good.